Do you want to learn how to create an amazing landing page all by yourself without spending too much time? Well, then you are at the right place. My name is Faisal, and in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional landing page by using the Divi theme. It is one of the most popular WordPress theme out there. Let me show you what we will cover in this class. This is the landing page that we are going to make in today's class. I will show you guys how we will add these moving particles in the hero section or any other section. In the middle, we have our logo with a pop-up effect with mouse over. Since it's a one-page landing site, I have linked this particular button to the CTA form right below it. So if I click on this button, it anchors to this section where we have our CTA form 1. We also have 3 different packages that we are offering on this landing page. If I scroll down further, we have one-on-one class and workout efficiency information. Further, we have get in shape section. In this section, we have an image where we have applied 3D tilt effect. I'll show you guys how we can apply 3D tilt effect on any element on this landing page. The 3D tilt effect is so powerful, it gives a soul to static objects on any website. We have this section where we have benefits of FitMe and some bulletin points below with icons. And I'll show you guys how we can add these icons related to these bulletin points. And we have Contact Me button. So if I click on it, it brings us to the CTA form 2, which is this one. Next, we have the video gallery section. I have linked how it works button to this particular video gallery section. So on top, we have the video player, and in the bottom, we have the other videos. So let's say if your client is a personal trainer, you should get some of your client videos and you can basically embed it on the landing page. Adding videos to your landing page is so powerful and increases the chances of your customers to basically inquire. Highly recommended. If you have a personal trainer client, you should get some videos and add them and experience it yourself. I will also show you guys how we can add an overlay on top of your videos, which will give them a professional look like these ones. If we move further, we have next section where we have different popular programs, which is strength training, mobility or weight loss. And you have noticed we also have applied 3D tilt effect on these images as well, which makes it look so beautiful and professional looking. If we move further, we have our clients testimonial section, and this is very important section where you should add some of the testimonials of your existing clients. If we move further, we have the most important section, which is the pricing plan. You notice that we have 3 different pricing plans: youth, adult and sport. And I've added a 3D tilt effect on these pricing plans as well, and this makes it look so stunning and professional. Below we have what you get section, where if I hover my mouse on these sections, you will notice they pop up and it looks more appealing than a static words. And at the bottom section, we have the last CTA form. Now it's important if you are running a paid campaign on Google Ads or on social media, it's important to add few CTA forms. Depending on the length of your landing page, you should add at least 2 to 3 CTA forms. It will increase the chances of your visitors to contact you. Finally, we have the newsletter section. And this is the overall landing page that we are going to design in today's class. Stay tuned and see you guys in next lesson.